Yes, dear students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Come in. So let us move to the further. So much of less today. Only 50% is of present. Everybody is in the underground. Huh? How you will get job, students, when you do like this? So any of who are present on every Saturday, they are most intelligent and sincere. Come in. Let's move to the further. So I hope you are remembering what is our discussion. Predefined functions in set. Predefined functions in set. Okay. Let us have some small questionnaire in the class. What is the use of set? What is the use of set? To store multiple values, either of same type or different type, all the types with unique values. With unique values. Very good. Now, will I apply index on set object? Come on. No. Why not? It never maintains insertion order. Why it won't maintain insertion order? Because it displays any one of the possibility of elements of set. That's why we cannot apply indexing and slicing. Slicing can I apply? No. How many types of sets are there? Two types. Number one, empty set and non-empty set. How do you create an empty set? Variable name is equal to set of. Variable name is equal to set of. How do you create a non-empty set? Variable name is equal to curly bracket open, value 1 comma value 2, so on, value n, close. Close. Getting? Good. Next, coming to the point of it. Next, is set is mutable or immutable or both? Both. Immutable in the case of what? Item assignment is not permitted. Mutable in the case of what? Add, remove, all, clear and everything. Okay, good. And one student is asking a doubt. Yesterday also he was also asked, Ramakrishna is asking, sir, is it required the knowledge of data structures and algorithms to learn Python? Is it required? Stacks, queues, linked list, is it required? No. So beginning what I said, to learn Python, nothing is required, only your body is required. Your brain is required, nothing is required. Okay, everybody can learn it, nothing is required. Ramakrishna, yesterday also you asked, I hope so. 2 times you asked yesterday, correct? Ramakrishna, I am remembering. Yes, so I am remembering that. 2 times he was asked, no problem. Today I answered it. Now I am going to the further discussion. So are you following Ramakrishna? Are you following what I am discussing now? Okay, good. Now, I told already in the class, when do you require data structures? When do you require data structures? Data structures and data structures and algorithms. What I said one day, some topics. Did you remember? Those topics, if you know perfectly with the coding I am talking. And if you have 85% above from your academics and you are BE or BTech, CSC or MCA, BE or BTech, MCA, this is BE, or BTech or MCA, any stream, only IT, Microsoft Innovation Center will take you and they'll conduct the written test directly. If you select, directly they will take you. Their minimum package will start with 25 lakhs. Minimum. This is what is the subject you need. You need to have full-length explanation, full-length coding knowledge is required. Understand? Now, and coming to the point back, now, Hemant is asking, sir, can you prepare a question paper for every week for like weekly test, sir? My dear student, because I have complete classes from morning to evening, what I say to my student is, to qualify any test which is conducted by any company, if you read my notes thoroughly, Remember it, what I'm saying. Even in the last day also I say, you write in a written test in any company, you will qualify with the left hand, left finger. Remember my words. Day one also I said, today also I'm saying, end of the day also I'll say. Because the most experience I'm saying, like that I'm preparing the notes for you. Anything is there, you prepare, go for it. And morning one student has prepared the notes. And of course, I shown you one day, he submitted to me today. He's still halfway through. Python textbook he prepared from our material only. So, right. Now you see he prepared it. It is opening. You also will prepare your notes like this. In MS Word, he prepared it. Learning Python. He prepared some diagrams and everything. And he is saying, ultimate guide for beginners to coding with Python, accompanied by useful tools. Now, teacher prepared by KVR, Kalyan, this is a student, Kalyan. My name and Kalyan is also there. And he prepared. Then Python, he started. Python with what? NumPy and Pandas. He started with the page numbers, history of Python. See that how he is maintaining the notes? Like that he started taking. History of Python is always preparing like this. Real-time applications like that he is preparing. Like that you start preparing it. It is 355 pages are there. You see bottom line, 355 pages. Are you following me? 355 pages are there. Are you seeing? Page 1 out of what? 355. It is still, it will take this a morning 7 a.m. Still it will take 20 more days to complete that batch. Almost it went out, it will go 100 more pages now. So if you prepare like that, tomorrow you go for an interview, it is like a textbook. But don't give to any of the outsider. You prepare by yourself. If you give outside, they will do business. They will upload in the notes. They will upload the notes in the internet. What they will do? You see KVR Java notes, beginning only. It is my Java notes because 23 years I taught Java with the 6 batches daily. And last 2 to 3 years, I reduced only for 5 batches. And the recent last 10 years, I entered into only last 10 years, I'm taking Python and of Java batches, of Python batches. And last 2 years, complete Python batches now. Go to anywhere, Sidesbay is one website. It's not my website. Download KVR Java classroom notes. PDF KVR core Java notes. DOCU MEN tips. Amazon, my notes is there. Java notes, inches makes champion. Scribe, SCRIBD, KVR Java notes. Flip, core Java by this one. Like that you go for a blogger, welcome to, like this. Everywhere else you go for it, right? So something like this, it is my classroom. And they will go for what? So many things are there. Like that they will be going on it. So don't give your notes to anybody, because if you give the notes, they will do business outside. Are you preparing notes? Huh? Please raise your hand. Really, how many of you are preparing? Really tell me, don't tell wrong. Very nice. Good. Who is not preparing? Not preparing. Prepare, mom. Prepare. Prepare now. So girls are not preparing means I felt that every girl will prepare. Boys preparing means okay. Meaning is there. Girls not preparing. Universally sincere guys you are. If you don't prepare, how? Okay. So, okay, you are preparing. So, okay, Ankit is writing handwritten notes. He is most sincere than everybody. Right. Anyhow, students, now I will continue. So, like this, you prepare it, and handwritten notes is really more powerful. Now, I'll go to coming to the point of it. Discard function I'm going to discuss. Now, coming to the point back to last class, already we had discussion about what? Remove. Go to the Python environment. Python environment. So here Python 3.10. So online also 274 students are there. Almost 60 students are absent here also. 60 students absent here. Here almost 60% absent. All of them them are underground only. Now S1 is equal to, take here, S1 is equal to 10 comma. Now I am writing Ankit. So now 34.56 and next Python here, Hyderabad. This is my data. This is my data. Print of what? Print of what? S1 comma, type of S1, type of S1. Now I am going to say it is going to have the data which is available in Python is not going to come in the same order in which order you are saying. Come on, students. S1 dot remove of 10. 10 is there or not? Yes, it is removed. S1 dot remove of, print that S1 student, it is going to print the data. 10 is removed or not? You print 100. You print 100. Do you have 100 in S1? No. What is the error? Very good. Key error. Key error will come because 100 was not there inside of it. Okay. Right. This was already done, students. Now go to the point back. I will take the same thing, comma, ID of S1, ID of S1. This is my given data. See, students, S1 dot discard. The name itself says that discard. S1 dot discard of what? Now I am saying there 10, I will write it 10. Remove function and discard function, both of them are same. And this is one of the FAQ. Discard and remove, both of them are same. Remove will remove the value. Discard also will remove the value. A remove function will give key error when the element is not found. Discard function will not give any key error when the element is not found. That is the difference. Come on now. I'll go for what? 10 discarded. Check it out whether 10 discarded or not. Discarded or not. Discarding means removing. Is removed or not? See that 1904, 1904. Data is available or not? 10 is not there. One more time. I write it here. Discard of what I am writing? HYD I am writing. HYD I am writing. See, students, it is also discarded. HYD. Now I'll discard what also, student? Python I will discard. Python I will discard. See now, students, discard of this is discarding. Now I am going to say discard of 1000. Do you have 1000 in S1? Do you have 1000 in S1? No. Immediately it won't give any key error. Remove function gives which error? Key error. Now I am writing S1 dot discard of 1000, which will not give any error. No key error is coming. Do you have 1000 in S1, ma? No, nothing is there. You print S1. Still it contains 2 elements only. Did you understand the difference? Okay. Coming to the point of it, you use the same thing instead of this. Instead of that, you say remove here. You say remove here. Which error will come? Key error will come. Did you understand the difference, guys? Now I am taking. I'll keep this example here and I write example. So I'm keeping here like this. Observe it. Now I'm going to take up discard of this one. Take care, students. Now here I will write it. ID of this. Discard of 1000, which is not there. We won't get which error, ma? Key error. We won't get which error? Key error. Well, now I will write this one. Now I got what? Right, key error. Right, Muhammad Ibrahim. Very good student. You understood very well. The main difference between remove and discard is remove function gives key error when element is not there. Discard function will not give any error when the key is not found. Like that, you have to understand. What you understood, you need to express it. So it is a key error. Go to the place, students. Now I am writing syntax. What is that, ma? Set obj dot discard of value. Now I am writing this function is used for removing the value from which object? Set object. If the specified value does not exist, then we never get any error. We never get any error. But remove function gives error. That I already mentioned here, na? Remove. If the specified value does not exist in the set object, we get what? Error. So we never get any error. So here I am going to write it. Difference example I gave you. See student, now I gave you the difference. Now, right, ma, Sumit, good. So coming to the point of it, discard function is over. Now I'm going to enter into the pop function, student. Function number 5. Pop function I'm going to talk. It's also important, student. Careful, ma. Try to understand. Pop function I'm going to discuss. What is this pop function? Previously, which pop function you have seen? Which pop function you have seen? Pop of index, pop of. Pop of index will remove what? Particular indexed value. Pop of will give you last element index removed. Last element removed. Now I'm going to say, in this case, see students, this is my data. This is my data. Now I want to say S1 dot pop. Keep in mind, pop of index is there or not there here? Not there. Why not there? Because set never maintains indexes. That's why pop of index function is not there. Understood that logic? Now, what is there? Pop of is there. Now tell me, what is the pop of list will remove? Last element, right? Now, here you tell me which element will be removed? Any element, that is any arbitrary element. You have to use the word called arbitrary element. Arbitrary means any selection of element. Any element will be removed. I will tell you later one technique also. And if you fully involve in the subject, tell me what is removed, ma? Any arbitrary element. We don't know which element will be removed. Next, you remove. What is removed? You can't predict it. What is removed? You can't predict it. What is removed? Now you say, what is the data printed here? All the elements removed or not? Print what now? Print what now? S1. What is that? Empty. Now I am saying pop. You tell me now. What is the answer? Actual question will come in interview is set of dot pop. This is the question which is coming. Answer you need to fill it up. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Option A, key error. Option A, key error. Option B, no output. Option B, no output. That is called a none is an output. None is an output. Option C is called a value error. Option D is called what? Key error. Option D is called a syntax error. Quickly. Option A na B na? B. Raise hands. Good. Everybody said Saturday special. Correct answer. Raise hands. Wrong answer. Key error is the correct. I thought you are going to answer this. Key error. Why? Pop is used to remove the values from set. Values of set are unique. Unique values are called what? Keys. Now keys are there. When keys are not there, pop off will give you which error? Simple. Now why don't you think like that? I am asking. You apply the subject. Which error? Key error. Now see that key error is coming. Understand, students? Now see that set of dot what? Pop off. What is the answer? Key error. This is called one example. Now I am going to say, students, example part 1 I am saying. This is one example. Dear students, careful mom. Now output is like this. Pop off, this is an output. Now this is an output. Now I am saying this is an output. Now see this. This is an output. And print of this S1 empty. You are calling this answer now. See this now. You are calling like this, getting this data available like this. Getting my point? Well, now I am going to say pop off. Now I am taking some syntax I am saying here. What is this now? set obj dot pop off. So this function is used for removing any arbitrary element from non-empty set object. When we call this function, when we call pop function upon which object? Empty set object, then we get, very good, key error will come. This is called what? Example number 1. Clear up? Okay. Now see, students, some intelligent solution I will give you guys. Some intelligent solution. Be careful. Especially I am telling here only, because this question also we got it in some company. And what is that example 2? Separately I wrote example 1 and example 2. Observe it. This is S1 is given. They did not show what? Displaying style. They are directly calling pop. Next I'm going to tell you one more kind of thing. See guys, S1 is equal to something like 100, something like 200, something like 300, 150 and 450 minus 120. Like this I am having. Okay. Now I am saying print of what? S1, ID of S1. No need to print ID of S1 every time. I am showing its mutability part. Now tell me S1 dot pop. S1 dot what? Pop. See, what is the, it is now, it is a displayed. This is a displayed. Now tell me which element will be retrieved, which element will be deleted. Come on. Any arbitrary element. Now I am telling the technique today. This is showing the display. Earlier one is what? They gave the data without showing the display. Are they printing this? No, directly set is given and asking S1 dot pop. They did not display. Without a display, they are asking what is deleting. Here, S1, which is displayed to you, it is saying that it is displayed like that. Now they are asking S1 dot pop. This is removing. 450 will be removed. First element will be removed after display. Did you understand this point? You say what is displayed? Next, what will be displayed? Tell me now. 100. Next, minus 120. Next, 150. Next, 300. After that, empty. Who is that value error? Everyone a value error. ikkade unnao kada class lo. What is an error now? Key error. Value error. No. Key error. Already told you now. What is that error? Key error. Are you following? What is the difference you observed between the above and now? They gave the data. They did not display. They are asking to pop out. That time you have to say what? Any arbitrary element. Now here they are giving display style they are giving and they are asking to say the which element is removed. They will test your practical knowledge. See that set given, set elements are given and order of display shown. Order of what? Display shown. And pop removes. Come on, pop removes first element always. Pop removes what? First element always. Did you understand this point? Good. First element always. Now I am going to paste the example. This is set element is given, order is shown. Set elements are given, order is shown. S1 dot pop off, S1 dot pop off, S1 dot pop off. This is a data which is given. S1 dot pop off, S1 dot pop off. See that order of display. When the order is displayed, which element will be removed? First element. When order is not given, which element? We don't know the order, no? So it is removed what? Arbitrary element. Did you understand this technique? Will you remember? So you have to see when they are asking face-to-face question, this is one time, it is a situation to our student. Okay, na? Fine. And this is happening some 3 to 4 years back, this has happened. That's why I'm continuing in my class, maybe coming in this question. What is the difference? Here what is given? Set is given, set elements are given, set elements are given, order is not shown. Set elements are given, here I am writing. I'll write a thing. Set, here I will write it. Here I will write students. What is that? Set elements are given. Set elements are given. Order of display. Display. Not shown. And pop removes arbitrary element. Arbitrary element. Will you understand? Okay. Now I hope it is clear for you. Now I am going to say pop function is also over. Now I am going to enter into the setter related methods. Shall I go? Is it clear up to here? Now, I hope these two things are clear. I did not confuse you, I hope. Clear? Okay. Now I'll go for sixth one, students. Sixth one I am going to discuss. Sixth one. I am entering into the sixth one. What the sixth one is? It is something like this. Sixth one I am going to say. Syntax I am going to discuss. What are the syntax you observe it? Set obj. Of course, I will go forward. This all purely now set mechanism is coming. S1 is equal to, see students, 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40, SEMA. S2 is equal to 15, 25, 35, 35. S3 is equal to 10, 100, 200, and then 300. This is my data. There is a word called disjoint. The meaning of disjoint, think about it. Disjoint means what? There is no common element. Disjoint sets are those where there is no common element present in both of them. Joint sets, joint means what? Some commonality is there. Some common element is there. That is known as what? Joint sets. Did you understand? Now tell me, according to your knowledge, which is explained, S1 and S2 are called which sets? Disjoint. S1 and S1 and what? S3 are what? Joint sets, they are called joint sets. And S2 and S3 disjoint. S1 and S2. Come on now. How do you call it? S1 dot. S1 dot. What is the function name? Is disjoint of what? S2. What is the answer? You dani chadutane ardhamaipoddu manaku. Is disjoint. It is a Boolean kind of result will come. If you fully involve with the subject now, you will get half of the Python before my explanation only. Answer is, that's all. Is disjoint. Returns true when they are disjoint. False in the case of joint elements. Are they disjoint or joint? What is the answer now? True. Now, S1 and S3. S1 and S3. Come on. False. Why false? There is a common element called what? Good. Now I am taking S2 and S3. Answer. True. You apply the subject and say the answer. Did you understand or not? Very good. Now I am going to take a syntax like this. Syntax. Set obj1 dot. What is the function name? Is disjoint of set obj2. Set obj2. Now I am going to write it. Examples now. Examples now. I am writing here examples. Now I am going to write it. I am saying is disjoint is called like this. Is disjoint is called like this. Now is disjoint is called like this. And say this answer. Coming to the point of it. Now set obj1 dot is disjoint of set obj2. Now I am going to say, is disjoint true, false and true, all these things are coming. Are you able to follow this now? Now, I will write the description. This function, come on fast, this function returns true, provided set obj1, provided there is no common element, there is no common element in set obj1 and set obj2. And don't try to read, of course I don't want to create this knowledge. There is number of common element. One student last batch or before batch, he studied as what? There is a number of common elements he studied. I did not put a NO dot. NO dot, if I write it, number of. So English is very danger. Right? So there is no common element in set obj1 and what? Set obj2. Right? If this function returns false, in detail I will write it, returns false. What is the false mechanism here? Provided there is a common element, there is at least one common element, in set obj1 and set obj2. I hope you are understanding this point. Understand, students? Now, clear up? Go to next point. I am going to say another type of mechanism I will take up. Next function is what? This is over. Next I am taking is a subset. Is a subset I am going to discuss. Is a subset. Next I will talk about what? Is a superset I will talk. Let me talk about it. This is easy for you, not a difficult. Is a subset, is a superset, at a time I will discuss. Come on to the point. S1 is equal to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is called what? A digits set. Digits set. S2 is equal to what? 3, 4, 5. S3 is equal to what? You know, 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. And I will write here what you know, 30. That's all. Now I am taking S1 you see, S2 you see. All the elements of S2 are present in where? S1. S1. So what is the relation between S1 and S2? S2 is a subset of what? S1, and S1 is a superset for S2. S2 is a subset to whom? S1. S1 is a superset to S2. Understand? You see S3 students. S3 neither superset to S2 nor superset to S1, nor subset to S2 nor subset to S1. So totally S3 set is a disjoint set. Did you understand this? So what is the subset and superset? I am giving the example. Tell me students, S2 dot is a subset of what? S1. All the elements of S2 present in where? S1, or S1 contains all the elements of S2. Either of the way you can represent. What is the answer now? True. True. One more way. S3 is a subset to S1. That's all. Now I am writing S3, S2, and S3 I will take. S2 and S3 I will take. What is the answer now? Also false. Did you understand this mechanism? Come to the point of it. I'll write the syntax here. Come to the point of it. Now I am writing syntax here. What is this now? Set obj1 dot is a subset of set obj2. Set obj2. This function is used for, or I can say directly, this function returns true provided set obj1, or I can write provided all the elements of what? Set obj1 present in set obj2. or I can say here only I can write set obj2 contains all the elements of what? Set obj1. Are you following me? Right. This is called another way. Now I will write it. Come on. What are the another words I'll write? False returns, false statement. Returns false. Come on. Provided elements. The elements of set obj1 not presented. Not only all the elements, at least one element, right or not? At least one element. Did you understand this word? At least one element of obj1 not present in where? Set obj2. Or set obj2 contains, not containing at least one element. At least one element of what? Set obj1. I hope you got my point. Let me show you another example. Continue this. S1 only. S1 only I will take it. Some S4 I will take it, students. 1 comma, some 15 comma, some 25 I will take. What is that? One element is there. It doesn't mean that S4 is a subset of what? S1, because it contains some extra element or not. How do you write it? S4 dot is a subset of what? S1. What is that? False. Right? You take it one more time. You say 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You say something like 10, you write it. 10, you write it. S4 dot is subset. Again, false only. Why? Some extra element is there or not? Yes. So take this part of example. So I'm going to take it example. Now I'm going to say, understood? Is it clear, students? Now I'm going to say, this is my data. Careful, students. So another part of that S4 dot is subset. This is the data what we have. Data is done. This is about what? Subset and superset. Go to the point back. Now coming to what? S1 is equal to, S2 is equal to, S3 is equal to. Start. S1 dot, come on, is a superset of S2. What is the answer? Come on. S1 dot is a superset of what? S2. What is the answer now? True. Because S1 superset I am using. S1 contains all the elements of what? S2. So answer is true. Now I am writing S1 is a superset of what? S3. Answer is what? False. False. Go to the place of next. This is S4. You see S4 I am taking again. Now you see S4 before that. S1 is superset of what? I say superset of S4. What is your answer? What is an S1 here? This complete data. S4 is containing 1, 2, 3, but one extra element 10 is there. What it returns? False. Are you following me? So coming to the point back, now I'll write it. Example part here, saying here, observe it. S1 is here, observe here. Now I am writing so data, and this is a value here. Now I'll write syntax. See, students, syntax I am writing. Set obj1 dot is a superset of what? Set obj2. Set obj2. Now I'll take this example. I'll carry this. I'll carry both of them. I will carry. Instead of typing it again, I'll carry this. This function returns true. Reverse I am applying. This function returns true provided I stand up, both of you. Stand up, both of you. Both of you. Stand up. Spets and other guy. What is the problem there? What is the problem? Button betko. Take your books. Take your books, both of you. Come here. Are you coming for studies or what purpose you are coming? BTech? Huh? Huh? Come here. You also come. Books books hello bite. Come to the point back. S1 dot is superset of S4 of what? False. Next, S1 dot is superset of S1. What is the answer here? False. So this is called what? Is superset of. So this example will be done. Here, doubt on the Nikamana? Do you have doubt? And why that guy you are talking with? Watching mobile, huh? Then what? Both of you is laughing, you are saying something to him and doing something. Subject related doubt, huh? Unde BCom. ఎంత కామ్గా ఉండాలి అసలు? బుక్స్ ఉన్నాయా నీ దగ్గర? మళ్ళీ కూర్చు చదువుకోవాలి జాగ్రత్తగా. నువ్వు అందరికన్నా చిన్నోడివి నువ్వు ఇళ్ళల్లో. వీళ్ళందరూ చూడు ఒకసారి, ఎనికి చూడు ఒకసారి. లుక్ ఎట్ బ్యాక్. Still doing school activities means problem. What will happen? I seen already 3 times. 4th time what will happen? Garbage collector will come and collect away. For everything certain action is required. Okay. Now come to the point of it. I'll go for this example. Is superset example is done or not? Right. 2 days back, one of my student, BCom, he did a adventurous job. He got a job in Infosys as a business analyst. Business analyst. His package is what you know. You can't believe it. 7.8. And Python coding, wonderful coding he will do. I will show his how he prepared the notes. I will show it. I'll show it. I preserved it. I preserved that notes with me. Go to that. I'll show his notes. And how sincere student is. Qualification is not important to get the job. He said, Python KVR backup. Under that Python KVR notes, exercise now. I'll go for notes. He said this one. This is the notes he gave to me and I'll open it. He prepared PDF also. And he did not decorate that entire learning Python, that brain symbol and all. And how many pages he is having? 432 pages are there. 432 pages. 432 pages are there. Don't ask me, sir, give that notes directly. I will not give. You have to prepare. See that how he prepared it. All coding, everything with a red line, green line, everything prepared. How he prepared it. Everything he prepared it. You just take how many pages? 432 pages are there. You just take everything coding with number systems, complete coding examples. Communicating with the database, select star from. How to communicate with the database? Oracle communication. Extraordinary subject we will give you. So, communicating with the database, how to deal with it. See, by seeing the notes is equal to like a textbook. And you'll say, sir, give me that. I will give my mail ID, send to my mail ID. See that how many examples prepared. And threading, server level, how it works. In server level, how it works. How is IRCTC project will work. How that IRCTC project. Deadlocks concept. I'll show deadlocks concept. So, thread-based application. Coming to the point back. It's the deadlock, thread-based applications. I'll come to this. Like this, the multi-threading with the threading logic. With the threading. So where is it? It's coming down. Now see, deadlocking, locking concept, synchronization. how it works in our IRCTC project. You see that IRCTC project, reservation examples. So class method, OOPS with multi-threading, OOPS with multi-threading. You come down to that, acquiring, releasing the locks, how to develop the thread-based applications. See how many examples on every moment of it. These many number of applications. Just coming into the class, like college doing something funny things in the class, it will not work out here. It's a serious matter is going on. How serious you must learn it. Right? So coming to the point of it, now I'm going to say. Shall I continue? Continue. Right. So both of you same college, huh? Different college. He is also BCom. No, what is? Don't know. But how you become friends, both of you? Somehow become friends. Okay, very good. Daily sit with me only. Okay. Right. Now coming to the point back. So no friends required. Who is your friend from today onwards? Ah, very good. If anybody asks, give your notes, you say straightforward. I don't give the notes, you say. Like that you need to say. Coming to the back. And the next is called what? Superset is over. Now I'm going to what? Union operation I'm going to enter. So union operation, intersection operation, I'll go for it. Union operation, intersection operation. Coming to the point back, intersection operation. Here you observe it. Difference operation. Now I'll go for symmetric difference operation. I'll go for it. Update I will take in the last. So now I am going to discuss. Start up. Fine. Let's move to the subject. Here I am going to enter. I'll take one problem statement, student. Go to one problem statement. Here I am going to say. Now see. Consider the following statement. Consider the following. Consider the following problem. I'm going to for one problem statement. This is one of the question in the company called PayPal, very regularly asking question. PayPal is, I hope product-based company it is. Now coming to the point of it. What is the question? Number of cricket players. Number of cricket players. Number of cricket players. So, cricket players is equal to number of cricket players or set of cricket players is equal to something I am writing, some names I am writing. So, I am writing some names I am writing. You don't tell that I am not testing your cricket knowledge, students. Follow it. Number of what? Tennis players. Number of tennis players is equal to, now I am writing, just I am writing something like this. Now I am writing Rosam. Now I am writing Rosam. And I am writing something like Travis. These are the people we have. Now, queries are going to be asking like this. Queries. Queries means what? Questionnaire. Now they are asking. First question. Find number of players. Find the player names. Find the player names. Player names. Find the player names who are playing all games. Who are playing all games. Who are playing all the games. Find the player names who are playing what? All the games. All the people names you need to take or not? In the tournament who are all playing all the games, you need to find the name of the players. Second one, find all the players. Find the player names. Find the player names who are playing both cricket and what? Tennis. Who are playing both cricket and tennis. Who is playing both cricket and tennis? Kohli. So by seeing the problem you are writing, but only orally saying not possible. You have to write a code for that. Next, third one I am saying. Find the player names. Find the player names who are playing. Find the player names who are playing who are playing only cricket, but not tennis. Only cricket, but not what? Tennis. Only cricket, but not tennis. Who are the people? Sachin and Rohit. Next, I'll take up fourth. Find the player names who are playing only tennis, but not, come on, cricket, but not cricket. Okay, na? But not cricket. Next, find the player names who are exclusively playing. Find the player names who are exclusively playing both cricket and who are exclusively playing cricket and what? Tennis. Exclusively means what? Specialized players, not common players. Who are the people playing? Sachin, Rohit, Rosam and Travis. They are the specialized players. Who is the common person? This is called the subject of our things. For getting all the players, I will write one Venn diagram because you studied in your school days. Studied in school days or not? This is called a Venn diagram. This is a tournament. In the tournament, you are having, who is this? Having like this. Who are these players, students? Cricket players. Cricket players, these are all called. And now I am writing one more type of players. Who are these people are called here? Right. Now I am going to take up here. Now I am going to take up. This is a people we are having here. Let us start understanding about what is this is now? CP, cricket players, and this is called what? TP, tennis players. Now here I am writing Sachin, and next is called what? Rohit I am writing. So I am writing like this. And here I am going to take it. Some more values I will take it. Who are the people here? So Rosam, next is called what? Travis. And who is the common member here? So I'm writing here. I'm writing something like, I'm writing like this. Understood? Now I'm going to take up some small things here. And you observe it now. I'm going to take up now. See this small awareness here. And here I will take it. And these are called something like this. Are you able to follow this? This is a Venn diagram. And how do you write this code? For this, I must write which function? Union of. Which function I need to apply? Union of. You say both, I said. Both means what? Intersection person, right or not? What is the function name? Intersection. Intersection I will apply. What is the next? Only cricket, but not what? Tennis. I will apply what? Difference. Difference I will apply. Difference I will apply. Next also I will apply what? Difference. Next also I will apply difference. Difference. Find the player names who are exclusively playing cricket and tennis. I will write what symmetric difference. Symmetric underscore difference. Symmetric underscore difference. Are you following me? Symmetric underscore difference. I'm going to understand here. Are you following me? So coming to the point of it, union, intersection, difference, and all these kind of functions are coming. Shall we apply practically now? Let's go to the back. I'll go for CP is equal to, I'm saying that in the command prompt, Sachin. Next I'm writing Rohit, and I'm writing what? So I'm writing like this. This is a data of like this. TP is equal to, I'll write it something like this. And I am writing some data here. And I am writing something like Travis. This is my given data. Print of what? CP. Type of CP. This is a common data printed. You don't worry about the order, students. TP and TP is here. We got this now. I want to apply what? All the players. All CP TP. All CP TP is called what? One variable name. Variable name. Which will hold all the players. How do you apply more? CP dot union of TP. TP. What is the union function is doing? It takes the values from CP, takes the values from TP, both of them will be taken and what? Merged with unique values and kept into where? All CPTP. This is called which operation? Union operation. So coming to the syntax. Syntax you see once. I say set obj3 is equal to set obj1. Set obj1 dot what? Union of set obj2. Or you can also say, dear students, you can also write this as like this also. Set obj3 is equal to set obj2 dot union of set obj1. Did you understand? Now I am going to write. This function is used for taking all the unique elements of come on, set obj1 and what? Set obj2 and place them in where? Set obj3. Set obj3. Are you following me? Set obj3. Are you following me? Used for taking all unique elements of set obj1 and set obj2, place them in where? Set obj3. Example I will continue. What is that example? You watch it. I will get it into picture. Take this data and press this enter key. Print what, students? All CPTP, comma, type of what? All CPTP. See that, am I getting all the players or not? Am I getting Kohli 2 times? No, 1 time only coming. In other words, you write TP dot union of what? CP. TP dot union of CP. You print all CPTP. Am I getting the same answer or not? Union, I can say CP dot union of TP, TP dot union of CP. Both of them are going to be same. Now, what is the resultant variable, ma? Set also. Now, coming to the point of it, I'll explain. This is a specialized example I will give you. It's mind-blowing, students. And you only will be coming to know that. You try to see in anywhere else these examples. Of course, this is very easy, not as difficult for you. It's very simple. Another part I will introduce for you. Now see this. This is one thing. Are you following me? This is about which operation, ma? Union operation. Similarly, I'll go for what? Intersection. Is the first query is okay now? Is the first query is okay? This first one is what operation? Union operation. Second, find the player names who are playing both cricket and tennis. Online students, did you understand this part of it? Online students, please respond it. Now, similarly, I'll go for what? Intersection also I will take it. See students, intersection. Set obj1 dot. Intersection of what? Set obj2. Also I will write it. Intersection of. I will write it. Union of. Intersection of. This function is used for taking common elements of set obj1 and set obj2 and place them in where? Set obj3. Following on? Right, done. Now I am going to say examples. Now I am going to take examples. Here. Now I am going to give you the clarity. Let us follow me carefully. Now I am going to say, here I am going to say CP, TP and print CP, TP. This one coming to the point of it. What is this now? Tell me. Both CP, TP, it's one variable name, students. CP dot intersection of TP. Right? Print students here. Both CP, TP, comma, type of both CP, TP. Is it Kohli is coming or not? As you say students, or what is this now? TP dot intersection of what? CP. Print this one. Same answer. So let me take up this and I will take up under this part of it. Now here, this is a data, set a type, and cricket tennis player set. Now I am getting intersection. I am getting both CP, TP. You can say or, you can say or. I'm going to print the data like this. Are you getting my point? This is about what? Intersection. Got it out? Right. One small example I would like to, I put a question. A is equal to 1020. B is equal to 3040. 3040. Directly I am asking A dot intersection of, what is that? B. What is an answer? Empty set. Empty set. What is an empty set? Answer will be printed. Like this it will print. Like this it will print. See the answer now. Are you following me? MCQ's point of it is an important. MCQ. Sometimes they will ask you 10, 20, 30 dot. Like this they will ask you, students. Intersection of. They will ask you like this. What is that? A, comma, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U. Like this they will ask you. What is this is called? Numbers with what? A vowels. What is an answer? What happens? Bracket. Bracket, bracket. Are you following me? What is that? Empty set. Are you following? So intersection will take what? Common elements. Suppose if I take some 10 I am taking. What is the common element? 10 will come. Got it? Huh? Okay. Now coming to the point back. Here you got an intersection point here. If you want, I will put that example also here. I'll put this example here. Say here. Empty set here. And this is something typed wrong. And this is a data empty set. And this is a data what? 10 here. So I got the data. What is this now? Difference I am going to introduce. Is the first one clear? Huh? First one and second one is clear, right? Find the player names who are playing both cricket and tennis. Only cricket but not difference. You see, students, you take one small mathematical example, mom. A is equal to set. What is that set? 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. B is equal to what? Some 30, 40, 50. 50. Are you following me? This is 30 students. Now I am writing A dot difference of what? B. A dot difference of what? B. What is the A value, ma? 10, 20, 30. My mouse is not working with the this thing. Dot what? Difference of what is this? 30, 40, 50. What? A is the first one. Remove the common elements, right or not? And the remaining elements, because A is the first now, it will give you that element. What are the elements? 10, 20. If B dot difference of what? A, what is an answer? 40, 50 is an answer. You got it? Huh? Okay. Coming to the point back. Now take it. CP, TP example again. Our example. CP, TP, print of that. Now done. What is this today? Only CP. Only CP. Till CP dot difference of TP. CP, TP. CP dot difference of TP. Remove the common elements. And what is the remaining elements from CP? Whichever is written first element, that only will be kept into only CP. Are you getting me? Print of what? Only CP, comma, type of only CP. Type of only CP. Are you getting this data or not? This is about what? Right. One more style if I continue. Only TP I am going for. What is this? Only TP. What is the answer now? Difference of what? Answer please. Only TP. Only TP. What is this? Only TP. Answer is what? Ma? Right. Clear? Huh? Very good. Go to the difference. Go to the table. Go to the problem statement. Syntax I will write it. What is the syntax now? Set obj3 is equal to set obj1 dot difference of set obj2. Set obj2. Or you should not write it. Will you write R? Intersection syntax is different. If I write R, That is totally different. If you want to write R, I can write it, but it is totally different, students. We should not. Syntax 1 I will write. Syntax 1 example, if you want, I can write it. Now, this function, come on, this function removes the common elements from set obj1 and what? Set obj2, and it takes remaining elements from set obj1 and placed in set obj3. This is the one. Okay. For that, you want this example. This is a syntax and this is an explanation. You want example for that? I will give the example only for that. Only for that. See that? I'll write it. This part I will write it. You see, this is an example written there. What is it? This is the one. Got it. This is the one I got it another place. And only the difference we got it. Got it. Now I am going to remove this. Don't worry now. After that, I am writing syntax 2. What is the syntax 2 you see? Of course, you understood, but I am writing detailed part. Syntax 2 is what? Set obj2, difference of what? Set obj1. Same thing I will take it. Same explanation, same example I will carry. Tell me, this function removes the common elements from set obj2 and set obj1 and takes the remaining elements from set obj2 and placed in set obj3. Example I will bring it. Which example I will bring it? I will take it. This data I will take it. This data I will take it. This answer I will get it. Okay now? This part you see. This is my data. Earlier one is what? CP dot difference of TP. This is a TP difference of what? CP. Getting on? This is about what? Example of what? Difference. One example. A is equal to 10, 20. B is equal to what you know? 10, 30, 40. 20 also. Okay. A dot difference of B. What is the answer? Very good, empty set. You understood that? Very nice. Now B dot difference of what? B dot difference of A. 30, 40. That also I will place it. No need to write any left side variable. As a special point I am writing. Okay. This is just printed like this. Only result oriented answer is printed. Okay, done. This is about what? Now I am going to symmetric difference. It's an important, students. It's really an important syntax I am writing. What are the syntax now? Set obj3 is equal to set obj1 dot symmetric difference of what is this now? Set obj2. Set obj2, or you can also write this as like this. Set obj2 dot symmetric difference of set obj1. 1. You go for what? Examples. Examples we are going to discuss. What is an example I am going to say? Follow me. Now I am going to take up. Same to same you continue. CP, TP, print both of them, done. Observe my query here, students. Find the player names. This one. Find the player names who are exclusively playing cricket, and so I'll apply what? This data plus this data, but not this data. This is called what? Symmetric difference. Only this data, difference. Only this data, different. Only this data, intersection. This data plus this data, union. That's all. Coming to back. Tell me. Exclusive EXCL CPTP is equal to, come on, ma. Dot symmetric difference of what is happening? dot symmetric difference of what is this? TP. Done. Print what? EXCL CPTP of type of normal. EXCL CPTP. See the data. Are we getting or not? You can also apply like this also. What is this now? TP dot symmetric difference of what? CP. You print this data, you got the same answer. Are you getting my point? Yes. Go back to this line. Now I am going to write it. Observe now. This part is here, and this is a data. Coming to this now, I'll say this. Coming to the point back. Done. Are you able to understand? This is comes under what? Symmetric difference. I'll write the description here. Tell me now. This function, I'll bring this comment, I'll bring this example, explanation. This function removes common elements from set obj1 and set obj2 and takes the remaining elements from both set obj1 and what? Set obj2 and place them in set obj3. Getting my point? Okay. Now see students, I'll write it here or one beautiful example I want to give you. It is looking. Samyukta is asking, what is the difference between symmetric difference and difference? Samyukta did not understand so far. So, Samyukta, what ma like this, if you say, how can it be 10, 20, 30 and 40? Listen, Samyukta, for you I am saying this. 2, I am saying here what? 50 and then what? 60. S3 is equal to S1 dot difference of, are you listening class ma? That's why you are getting the doubt. Not listening, I hope so. S1 dot difference of S2. What is an answer of S3? S1 dot difference of S2. Answer is what? Listening means you will not get the doubt. My time waste if I explain like that. What is the answer? 30, 40. I explained with the mathematics also. Done. S3 I need to print. Is it 40, 30 printed or not? So, unde Samyukta kardama right. S3. What is the answer? Remove the common elements and take the remaining elements from S1. What are the things left out? 30, 40. Yeah, I say next S4 is equal to. What is this now? S2 difference of what? S1. What is an answer? S4. Answer is what? 50, 60. Remove the common elements from S2 and S1. What is the S2? Remove the common element. 10, 20, remove. S2 is the first. What are the elements? 50, 60. Now symmetric difference. What is the symmetric difference? Remove the common elements from both of them. Remaining element from S1, remaining element from S2. What is that? 30, 40, 50, 60. That is called like this. S5 is equal to S1 dot symmetric difference, underscore difference of what? S2. Print S5. What is happening? Remaining elements 10, 20, 10, 20 removed. S1 of 30 and S2 related elements combined together and S5. I hope Samyukta, I am clear. Now I will go for this same answer. You can get it in this way. Mathematically, it is denoted by what? A delta B. Sometimes this also will be asking in interviews. Samyukta, respond ma. I hope you are following. A delta B is equal to A union B dot difference of what? A intersection B. Are you getting this? A union B means what? All elements. What are all the elements? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Am I correct? Difference of what? A intersection B. What is that? 10, 20. Difference will do what? 10, 20, 10, 20 cancel. What are the elements? That's all. Na? Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? How to apply practically this one? Now I am going to write it. S6 is equal to S1 dot union of S2 dot difference of S1 dot intersection of S2. S2. This is subject. Print S6. Print S6. Got the answer. చాలా important way. Another way also I can do. What is that? S1 minus S2 union of S2 minus S1. What is S1 minus S2? 30, 40. 30, 40. What is that? Union of. What is S2 minus S1? 50, 60. What is the union operation will do? That's all. S7 is equal to, come on, S1 dot difference of S2 dot union of S2 dot difference of S1. S1. S7 you print. S7 you print. Got the same answer. See how many examples? Samyukta. Got it, ma? So I will write it here. So here I am writing special points under that I will write it. So got it, this difference of, so this output you are already aware of it. S1 of, actually this is a S4, some numerical value I am taking, symmetric difference alternative way, or this is also comes under what? Symmetric difference alternative way. Or I am writing here, or I am writing. This one I am writing. I hope you are following it. Come to this. Are you following me? Now, the same example, I'll continue. What is that example? CPTP example is there. That is our basic thing. CPTP, we got it. You say what here? TP dot what? Symmetric difference of what? CP. Also print the same thing. You print it. Now, what is this? EXCL, CPTP, you say. EXCE, this one, CPTP. Are you getting this answer or not? So coming to this place, get this data. Here I am writing. Of course, last line only I want to take it. This part I will take it. This line I will take it. Done. And the last part of the answer I will take it. Here I am writing. Are you following me? This is a one you can write it. In other way, how do you write it? Last class I already said you. This point I said. Are you following me? This you take it. Coming to the point back. Here you see. What is this now? EXCL CPTP is equal to, tell me, CP dot union of TP, difference of CP dot intersection of TP, getting print off. I'll write it like this. Answer is same or not? In another way, you can do the same thing. Here also, you can write like this. Here also, you can write. Same answer is coming. Getting up? Like this, you can write it. This is related to what, students? Symmetric difference. After that, I'll go for most powerful update. I will tell you. Still time is there. Most important points I'll say. So, most IMP. These are all the operations we did with what? Union, intersection, everything now. Following? What functions we applied? Union, intersection, all those things. Now that question is, perform the above operations. That is a set of operations. Perform the above set operations. Above set operations by without using set functions. Set functions. Set functions, if this question is given, you are using what operator? Union function, intersection, difference, symmetric difference. They are saying don't use what? Set functions. That is a question in PayPal actually. I said that question with set operator, set functions. Actually question is don't use set functions, solve it. Now, will you solve it? Solve it. Red set. Saying like that. Solve it. No. Solve it. Huh? How? Stand up. Solve it. Will you solve it? Stand up. You are saying like this. Will you solve it? No. Okay, sit down. Anybody will solve it? No. Now I will make you to solve it. I will make you to solve it. No issue. See, students. This is called a subject, students. Understand, students. Right. Dinesh, you are trying to write. You cannot achieve that task. Right? Now see that. You cannot achieve. Don't worry, Dinesh. Dinesh Pradhan. Now I am going to say. No union operation, no set operation, nothing I am using. In our languages, we have the topic called operators. Do you know operators? You studied in C language or not? Studied. Good to know. Right. So, who remembered C language operators? Raise your hands. Okay, one. Stand up. Tell me operators. Ma? No, I'm not asking definition. Operators' names. Definition of operator is a symbol which is used to perform the operation on the data which is present in the variables, operands, objects, everything. I'm not asking definition. I will explain with my own standard what is an operator. How many operators are there? You tell me. Arithmetic operators, bitwise operator. This is my favorite. 1 minute. Bitwise, you are coming directly to the point. Bitwise operator. What is the real-time purpose of bitwise operators? Nobody knows. I am telling directly to you. Nobody knows, including, and I don't want to say this, including most of the trainers. Direct. You ask and come. But they will write bitwise. They don't explain bitwise operators. They don't explain bitwise operator. 10 is there. There is a double greater than, double less than, then XOR, and then like this, and then like this, and this one, and next is called what? Complement operator. What is the complement of 10? 9. Wrong answer. Minus 9 is a wrong answer. Minus. Good. What is that? Minus is the most powerful wrong answer. Minus 11 is the correct answer. How you got it? They will tell one formula which is useless formula. What is that formula? They'll say minus of what? A plus 1, something like that. How this formula is coming? You take anybody, they don't explain. In my class, I'll explain what is 1's complement, what is 2's complement, what is 9's complement, what is 10's complement. Do you know how this formula is coming? They don't know, but they will try to tell only for. If you learn formulas, you are out of order. I'm telling to you. If you learn formulas, you are out of order. You cannot qualify anywhere else. Interview will ask you how minus 11 is coming. Explain. Nobody will explain. You take any student in Amirpet and they don't know. Bitwise operators, you tell. No student knows, including that student also. He is actually good. He stand up and saying the answers. He also don't know. Do you know? Don't know. Sit down. Girls, do you know? Mark Telesaras. Right, done. No problem, students. Don't feel anything problem as long as KVR is with you. But you read the notes. Now I am going to see how I am applying. Now, come on now. All CPTP is equal to, now I am applying bitwise operators performing what operations? Set operations. CP, what is the symbol? Pipe. Pipe. Which pipe this is? PVC pipe. ఇట్లానే చెప్తారు ఇక్కడ క్లాసెస్ లో. ఇన్ ఆల్ క్లాసెస్ తెలిసే పైపు, పంపు, ఎంవిసి మిషన్, దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ కాల్డ్ పైప్. లేదేం లేదు అక్కడ. దట్స్ వై యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ద పైప్ ఎట్ ఆల్. టీపీ, పైప్, all these things are blunder. Vertical slash, spell out. Yes, you read any of the international textbooks, they don't write pipe, pump, all these shapes related things. They're all cock and bullock stories. Come on now. Come on, say all CPTP. Is it working like a union or not? What is the type? Type also I'll print. Type of what? All CPTP. All CPTP. What is the answer now? Set. So where I am using that? Bitwise operator, generally people will say with the numbers. I am saying with the what? Strings. Getting? I'll explain that. Don't worry. Next, I'll go for next. What is this now? Both CPTP. Both CPTP. See what I am applying. I am applying this ampersand symbol, student. What is this ampersand symbol? Bitwise and. What is the difference between and bitwise and? Nobody knows. I'll show in the class, including you people also. What is the difference? There is a double ampersand is there in C language people. Single ampersand I am applying. What is the difference? Practical difference? Real time difference? Don't know. But everything is over. Certificate also came laminated and kept into locker also. What is that? Nothing will come out of that. See, print. Print of what? Both CPTP, printer, both CPTP, type of what? Both CPTP, both CPTP. Is it coming? Ma? Okay. Okay. Both, no problem. I will write. I will write. Whatever I written, I will take that. No problem. No problem. Same thing. I will take up this because I don't want to change this. I want to write here. So go to the place. Whatever I written, I will write the same thing. Here also I will write the same answer. Are you getting the same answer or not? What is this operation is? Intersection. What is the operator I am using? Bitwise and. And bitwise and. There is a lot of difference between and bitwise and. I'll really explain. Mind-blowing explanation. Let me come very shortly. We are entering into operators. And you will feel, is there this much in real time about operators? You know, plus, minus, etc. About plus and minus also, you see how I will teach. Plus minus means you will think that addition and etc. You see how what you will get it. That's why you change the people's mind by listening. You tell them what is the reality of the subject. Come on, next. Coming to the next. Okay, CPTP, you got it once. You already forget, I hope so. TPTP, come on now. I'm going to, come on. Only CP is equal to CP minus TP. Minus symbol I am applying. Minus is used for what? Subtracting numbers. But here what? Subtracting sets. Subtracting sets. What is this now? Only CP comma type of what? Only CP. Are you getting or not? Getting or not? Next. What is next? Only TP. Tell me. TP minus CP. Print what? Only TP. Only TP. You say only TP. Are you getting or not? Yes. Next. Come on. What is next? EXCL. CPTP is equal to. Come on. CP dot. CP. Bitwise XOR operator I will explain. Bitwise XOR. These days people are saying, because I virtually watching so many students, they are writing 2 to the power of 3. Suppose if it is coming 2 cube now, they are writing like this, they are writing. I don't know what is this. And people are also saying in the class, it's a blunder. 2 to the power of 8 is how much? 8. When I write like this, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, binary form of 2. What is the 3? 0, 0, 1, 1 is that. And exclusive OR operator says that. And don't worry about it. I am just writing. Similar bits 0, dissimilar bits 1. Similar bits 0, similar bits 0. What is this now? Here, okay. This is 1 and this is 1. Answer is called what? 1 is an answer. And people are saying 8. And how student will go with if this question is coming in written test, how they are misguiding? That's why don't believe anybody unless and until those show on the screen. Don't believe only oral things. You believe only when they say practically. You like that and you populate that. Now I will show you this also. And before that I will show you. Before that I will show you. Print off 2 exclusive OR operator of what? 3. What is an answer? 0, 0, 0, 1. 1 is nothing but 1 only now. Where is the 8 is coming? See that how the people, student will understand when they teach good. Whether they remember or not, it is a headache of the student. If they want to get powerful in their life, they will read. Otherwise, what we can do? You tell me. But teacher should teach everything in the class. Come on, students. EXCL CPTP is equal to CP exclusive OR operator of what? TP. Print now what? EXCL TP. EXCL CP TP. See the answer now. What is the type also? First of all, type also EXCL CP TP. Also what? Set. So bitwise operators are used on where? Strings also. On where? Sets. I will tell bitwise operators so many things in my real life. In real time, most important. Exception handling will come. NumPy will come. Pandas will come. Bitwise operators are so powerful. And nobody will explain detail about bitwise because they are complicated to the faculty. They don't know how they will work. But I'll explain that is very, very important. Plus, minus, what is there? You already learned in LKG level. Correct or not? Now, all over together. Now I am going to take my conclusion. CPTP. See students. CPTP. Then the final thing I am taking. Now I am taking. Observe it everybody. Now I am going to take it because the zigzag is there. Now I am going to use it. Now I am going to use it. This answers I am taking. This is my answer I am applying. This is the data. All CPTP. Print of what? All CPTP. Union operation or not? Next after that, what is my next one? This one. This is called what? Both CP and TP. What is this operation next? What is this operation? Both CP, TP. Am I getting it? What is this? All, okay. What I should print actually? Both CP, TP. Am I getting or not? Next. What is next? Only what I want? Only CP. Okay, before that, only CP. Print that only CP. Am I getting or not? Only TP. Am I getting only TP or not? Yes. Next, exclusive of it. CPTP. Print it. Am I getting the type also or not? I will take up this data. So go to that most important point I am saying. See students, getting this point here. Observe. I am writing here CPTP. Getting these points. Got it. And see the data. What is this now, students? Bitwise OR operator. Working like what? Working like what? Union. Union function. Next, what is this now? Bitwise and operator. Or what? Intersection of. This is coming like this. Data. Both CPTP. Got it. Are you following? This is not necessary, right? Next, what is this now? What operator? Minus operator. Operator or what function? Difference function. See the data. difference operator, minus operator. Now, this is called what? Bitwise. Which operator? XOR operator. Also called what? Tell me, students. Symmetric difference. Symmetric underscore what? Difference. There I am writing. So data. Will you understand? This is about this man. This is set operations without using functions. By using what? Yes. Bitwise operators. This is the one. Without telling also you can say it is over. But why I am saying tomorrow, if it comes, you have to feel that, yes, my notes is ultimate. Right or not? So without telling also you can say, okay, over. Yesterday only I can say set is over. And you will be also over. But getting this much of knowledge is most important. Coming to the update function is required. Go to the update. Now I am saying S1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. S2 is equal to students. Sorry. S1 is equal to, S2 is equal to Python. Next is called what you know, Java. I am writing like this. This is my data. Print student, print of S1 comma type of S1, S2 comma type of S2. S2. Got it. Now I want to go for, I want to update the S1 values with S2 values. Like extend function is there or not? Like today. Tell me, S1 dot update of S2. What is the meaning of it? S2 values are updated with what? S1. Updating means nothing. Merging. Merging. See that? S1. Print of what? S1. You see that along with the 10, 20, 30, 40, Java, Python also added or not? Understood? One more example. S1 is this. S2, comma, what I am writing? 10. S1 dot update of S2. What will happen? Python and Java added, but 10 is added, huh? No. Why? Yes, does not allow duplicates. 10 is coming one time only. Understand? Yes. So, coming to the point of it, people will ask a question. How do you add the values of one set to another set? You need to go for it. What is this now? This is the data. This is the data I'm having. Yes. Update of this one. Got it. This is my data. And this is another scenario here. S1, print of this S value. Here I got it. This is my data. Got it. Understand? Now I'm going to say, I'm saying here, syntax please. What are the syntax? Set obj1 dot update of set obj2. So I'm writing here, this function is used for merging what? Set obj2 values with set obj1 with set obj1. Understood, students? That's all. This is about examples of what? Set. So we spend a lot of time on this. If you read well and if you remember well, there is a meaning for this explanation. Only listening after 10 days forgetting and doing some funny things in the class will not work out. That is already gone. School level, college level over. Here we are coming with an aim. Come with an aim and reach the goal. If you say daily see your goal, you will definitely reach the goal. Correct? That's why come with a goal. Without goal, if you come now, you will do some extra things in the class that I can easily find out. Easily find out. I will pick up that and I will send it out because others will disturb. Because of one student, lot of students will disturb. I'll not bear it. Other will bear it, but I cannot. But this is come with an aim. It's an exclusive class, Python is. Right. So students in the online, is today's class is understandable to everybody? Is it clear for everybody? Now, so I'll stop my class. Now 7:50. Tomorrow class when I come back, Monday, I'll go for what? Frozen set, go to the place. Now here I am having 6 p.m. So, right, ma, Sunil, thank you, my dear student. So data types and the set data type and the seek category here, you see, here I am having Monday, I will go for what? Frozen set. Frozen set, I will go for it. Okay, now? Well, very shortly, 4 p.m. because some students are asking a message in the even in the classes chat window. 4 p.m. new batch will start very shortly. Very shortly, 4 p.m. batch will start. I will intimate on which date that will start, and we are going to see when the new batch will start. 4 p.m. within 10 days that batch will start. I will intimate the date also to you. Okay, right. That's what ma Prashanti. That's what I'm saying to you. 4 p.m. batch will start within 10 days. There you will come to know. 7 a.m. will start after April 20, because April 20 the 7 a.m. batch will be over after that. So 7 a.m. before 4 p.m. will start. Okay, any of the friends are there, you can tell them. Okay, students. Monday class, don't miss it. Important. Thank you. All the best.